Hi, I'm Margaret from Good Egg Safety. I'm going to talk to you about incorrect infant carrier routing. A lot of people, when I do checks out in the community, I find do their infant car seat wrong. There is only one way that the seatbelt fits around an infant carrier to make it safe in a car crash. And I'm just going to show you the wrong way to do it and explain why not to do it that way. So what a lot of people do is they get the seatbelt and they wrap it around the back of the car seat. They buckle it in, pass it through the blue clip on the back, and then take the shoulder belt across the baby's lap and hold it there like that. I see this at least once or twice every time I do a 5-hour clinic where I check about 20 to 25 seats on average. So this is very, very common. If you were to have a crash like this, what would happen? There is nothing in this corner that holds the seatbelt down and the car seat in place. So the car seat would just flip up, and obviously with the forces of a car crash, it would be a lot more severe than what I can simulate with my hand. But this is absolutely not the way to strap a car seat in. So I'm now going to show you the correct way to do it. So just take the seatbelt off. The very easy way to remember how to do it correctly, rather than instinctively just wrap the belt around the back of the car seat, is to remember that the lap belt, which would go over the adult's lap, also goes over the baby's lap, under the blue hooks. And then what would be your adult shoulder belt goes behind where the baby's shoulders are, behind the backrest. That goes through the blue clip. This then pulls tight. The seat is I'm now pulling it as hard as I can, and the seat's very securely anchored down in the car. Of course, don't forget the handlebar.